In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the text size in your Gmail account for a more comfortable and personalized email experience. Whether you're aiming for a more readable interface or simply want to match your personal style, adjusting these settings is a quick and easy process. Let's start by heading over to gmail.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log into your account. Enter your email and password to access your inbox. Once inside your Gmail account, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will find a gear icon. It looks like a small cogwheel. Go ahead and click on this icon to open up Quick Settings. After clicking the gear icon, you'll see a menu pop up. Within this menu, look for the section labeled Density. At the top of this panel, you'll see an option to See All Settings. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to a more comprehensive settings page where you can make a wide range of customizations to your Gmail account. Now, you've been taken to the Settings menu, and you're in the General tab by default. This tab covers a variety of common settings that you can adjust. What we're interested in is the default text style. To find this section, simply scroll down until you see it. It's nestled among other features related to how you can customize your email experience. In the Default Text Style section, you have the opportunity to adjust the font size to your liking. Click on the drop-down menu labeled Size. You'll find a few different options here, such as small, normal, large, and huge. Choose whichever size best suits your reading preference. For some, a larger text can ease reading and reduce eye strain. For others, smaller text might be preferable if you like a more compact view. Additionally, within the same section, you can further personalize your emails by changing the font style and color. Though these are optional adjustments, they provide great ways to express your personality through the look of your emails. Choose a font that resonates with you or a color that you find appealing. Once you're satisfied with your selections, you'll want to ensure that all your changes are applied across your account. Do this by scrolling to the very bottom of the page. You'll see a blue button that says Save Changes. Click on it to commit all the adjustments you've made. This confirms that your preferences will be applied to any emails you compose in the future, tailoring your Gmail experience to better fit your needs and preferences. And that's it. You've successfully customized the text size and perhaps even the style and color in your Gmail account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in improving your email experience.